Hello friends, welcome to SolidWorks learning channel. I'm starting this brand new channel for the people who wants to learn basic and advanced skills in SolidWorks. So guys, if you are new to this channel, then please press subscribe button for getting future alerts regarding new content, and also press bell icon for notification. Welcome to new tutorial guys. In last tutorial we have discussed about how to draw sketch on plane or part face, and then we discussed about units and some add-ins options. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about line and smart dimension. So first go file, select new, part file. So as I discussed earlier, if you want to draw anything in sketch environment, then we need a plane. So here we have three default planes: front plane, top plane, right plane. So I just simply select front, go to sketch. So here is line command. We can select line command from command manager, or we can go in tool drop down menu and just simple select sketch entities and go to line, or we just simply right click sketch entities and line. Simply press S on our keyboard. That's open shortcut toolbar menu, and we can also select line from here. I simply select the line from command manager. When I select the line, it's come property manager on left of your side. It gives us four options. First one is like as sketch, horizontal, vertical, or angle. So if I select as sketch option, I can select line anywhere in this display area. You can notice like when I'm like selecting the points, one dotted line coming here, that is called infront line. Infront line is used for locating point which is already we have pre-existing point. SolidWorks helps you to locate that point. Simply select to exit the command. I can select the line again, the simple horizontal, and you can just simple select one and you can make it horizontal line. You can see this horizontal line has horizontal relation because we select this line previously as a horizontal. That's why it's a horizontal relation automatically coming over here. We can also add other relation from here, or we can make this line for construction or infinite in length from this option. We can also change the length from here. I simply press OK to exit the command. For vertical, you can this option only force you to draw vertical lines. So you can see here automatically vertical relation is coming in exiting relation box. I simply check OK. I can go to another option, center line. So what is center line? Center line is also called construction line. And what is construction line actually? So construction line is the line which is used for reference the geometry or for geometric relation. So by drawing construction line, you cannot make the features. They are not using for generating features. They are only for your reference. So here I just draw the construction line between these 2 points. Simple select. Construction line always shows in dotted lines. You can make any other lines in construction as well. You can simply select and check for construction option, or you can simply right click and press this construction geometry option. Now I'm going to start with smart dimension, and for that draw a proper sketch. when you draw a line and when you take your cursor back to same point, it automatically select other option of arc. You can see this thing is called auto transitioning. So I simply draw the line again. When I take cursor back, it's exit the line command and select the arc command automatically. So this is our geometry. So what is smart dimension? Mostly smart dimensions are used for define geometry. So mostly the dimensions are linear dimension, circular dimension, radial dimension. So same with the line command, we can select the smart dimension many ways. You can select the smart dimension from here, or simply select, right click and select the smart dimension from here. Or you can simply go to tools and go to dimension and smart dimension, or same way you just simply press the S key and go to smart dimension. So I'm just giving the simple smart dimensions. Just select the smart dimension. If I want to give vertical dimension, then select the point here and select the point here and its vertical dimension. I just give the 500. If I want to give a horizontal dimension, then just select this point and this point, or simply select that line. That gives you horizontal dimension. If you want to give radial dimension, then simply select that arc. That gives you radial dimension. I wanted that arc in 150 centimeter. Another. So you can see over here, I give as much as possible almost all the dimension. So when you select the angle dimension, it gives you two options. It gives you horizontal dimension, vertical dimension, and actual dimension. So it's all depend how your selection is. So if you want to lock some particular dimension relation, then you just simply right click. You can see the mouse icon near cursor and you can see the lock button. You just simple right click and lock it. So the other option will be stop coming automatically. Same way here, I can just want angle over here, so I just simply lock it so it doesn't show me the other option. There is three way to defining the sketch. One is under defined, another is over defined, and third one is fully defined. So good practice is always try to make your sketch fully defined. So right now our sketch here is under defined. You can see your sketch is under defined or over defined from here. And now I just simply go to display and delete relation, fully defined sketch, check all entities in sketch here and simple calculate. So that's make your sketch fully defined. You can see over here fully defined, it's written over here. So I just press yes and just defining just extending those lines. If I add one more relation over here, then my sketch become over defined. I just show you. If I add 500 over here and make it leave as a dimension driving, then all the sketch becomes over defined. It shows over here all the sketch become over defined and it shows us yellow color. So I just simply escape it. So I just give you more information about Smart Dimension Property Manager. So I just going to simple click one of the dimension and simple say yes. You can select style of your dimensions, from your style option, or you can give the dimension tolerance. I have right now selected that dimension over here, so you can see the changes, or whatever I can make it over here, it's changed over there accordingly. So I just simple if I want basic dimension, then it's one box coming around the dimension. If I want bilateral dimension, then all the plus and minus value, whatever you want to enter, this comes over here, like 2 or 0.3. You can see it. Double click to modify the dimension. So if I select limit, then it gives us limit, minimum value, or we can select maximum value, or feet or tolerance from here. I just select none for now. So here is your primary value. You can also go to leaders. Right now by default it's selected this style. You can also change the dimension style thickness, make them dotted line, or you can change the thickness of dimension line. I just simply press yes. You can modify your dimension by 3 ways. You just simple double click on your dimension and you can just enter the value over here, or you can change the value from this. You can see this spin box and you just simple rotate that spin box, that's change your value. Or you can just simple change the value from here. This one is called dimension parameter, or this thing is controlling your dimension by equation. This one used for more advanced level sketching, and I will explain this equation thing in future tutorial. Exit the sketch. If you want to change your name of your sketch, then you can simply double click on that one and you can change whatever the name you like. For sketch, or you can simply edit your sketch name. Just simple right click on sketch and go to feature property, and you can change the name from here as well. That's it for today, friends. Thank you for your support. Good evening.